Howdy, friends. Okay. I mailed it. Oh, how fantastic is that? Great timing. I just got an email, a text message roll up on the thing right as I hit record. Said I mailed it, and with smiley faces like them glasses. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hey, friends, so let me focus on what I was going to talk about here. So, first of all, I was going to mention that I'm at the taco, and then I had this song, Taco Cabana. It's what it's called, Taco Cabana. Anyway, shiny things. And then I see Daily Gratitude Challenge in the back. Yeah, dailygratitudechallenge.com. Anyway, hey, so real quick, I want to talk about posture and when things aren't perfect, how it's okay. All right, so I'm a direct sales professional. Send Out Cards is my jam. That's my partner company. That's my career company. That's what I'm doing. I am building a customer base inside of Send Out Cards, and I'm helping other people who want to do the same. So, right now in Send Out Cards, we are going through some growing pains. We are a technology company, and we're rolling out some brand new technologies. And in the behind the scenes, in our software and all of this, it's technology. So stuff happens in technology. There's bugs going on. Well, right now, from yesterday and even still today, there are some issues with our photo manager. And if you don't know about Send Out Cards, you can put photos on a greeting card. I wish I had one handy. It doesn't matter. You get the concept, and not the point of the video anyway. But you can take a picture on your smartphone, put it on the cover of a card, send that card to somebody, whatever. And right now, our photo manager has got some bugs going on right now. So it is what it is. It's not that big of a deal. And I'm glad the fact that that's none of my concern. I don't have to worry about that. We have an amazing IT team that handles all that kind of stuff, and they're working on my behalf. All I have to do is just go out there and sing about it. But here's the point. Posture and not making a mountain out of a molehill kind of a thing. All right, so I have a brand new prospect, Cold Market, who I don't know. She just texted me a second ago, said she got her card sent out and it worked, so that was cool. Right as I hit video though. But I have a realtor who sent me a solicitation. She sold a house in my neighborhood, and I got that solicitation, and I contacted her and said, hey, I got your thing here, whatever, blah, blah. Hey, have you heard of Send Out Cards? It's a great tool. Realtors love it, blah, blah. So, showed her Send Out Cards and all that. Now, I've never met this person. I've spoken to her once on the phone. We've texted a few times since then, but I've spoken to her now twice on the phone. But she went to go use my product for the first time yesterday, and she couldn't use it. She tried like 10 times. She restarted her phone, all this kind of stuff. So she would have what we would call a bad experience with my product. That's not the best first impression that you want, right? But So here's the point. And because you see this in network marketing, somebody's order gets lost or whatever. Something happens, like things happen in life. And then if you're not strong and confident or just whatever, if you're just insecure, it's easy to be like, oh, it's the, whatever. And listen, here was my attitude, my posture with this. Oh, I kind of laughed at it. Sorry, hey, that sucks, man. Not the best first impression, and I make video messages to people. So I was making that kind of video message to her, and I'm like, oh, I'm really sorry that not the best first impression, whatever. And I told her, here was my thing. I painted a big picture. I just said, listen, we're working on some stuff behind the scenes right now with some new technologies we're working on, and this whole thing is above my head, the technology stuff, but I understand that what they're doing at the home office to create these new systems for us is creating some bugs in the process. This is just one of those bugs that's part of, the thing. I said, but they are working on it and, and all that. But I'll contact support, see if we can get an idea of, when it might be fixed, whatever, blah, blah. But I said, it's not your phone. You don't need to restart your phone or whatever. It's definitely on our side, whatever, and we're aware of it. And then I contacted support this morning, and I sent my card out. I sent out a card this morning with the photo, and it worked just fine. So I'm like, okay, cool. It looks like it's working. But I wanted to touch base with support before calling that prospect back and saying, hey, it's working, just in case, hey, it might not work for her again. So I talked to a rep at the support team there in corporate, and I said, hey, here's the deal. Is it worked out yet? Or I said, it worked for me this morning, but whatever. And she says, no, it's not really. They're working on it. We're hoping to have it done any minute now, but they're working on it. You know, I said, okay, cool beans. So then I sent a message to that realtor prospect that I was just talking about, and I made a video message, said, hey, here's the deal. I sent mine this morning. It may work for you if you want to try it, or just hold off, you know, and I'll let you know once I get word that it is worked out and it's working. And she just texted me, and apparently she tried it and it worked. But none of that's the point of the story. The point of the story is something didn't go perfect. And then from that, you decide how big of a deal or how non-issue it is. And me and my posture and my perspective and my prospects and my business and my world, non-issue. You know, hey, something didn't go perfect. Sorry about that. That sucks. I know it's not the best first impression. Here's the bigger picture. We're working on something, and that is creating some short-term issues. We are going to get them resolved. But I think so what's the answer for you to try to get there? Have confidence in your team. If you're partnered with a company that you believe in, then something happened. It wasn't perfect. Big deal. And if you don't have that confidence in your team, the company that you're partnered with, get to your company's convention, find out, learn about what's really going on here, and establish that confidence in yourself in the company that you're partnered with. And if you can't, because they don't inspire it, you don't see it, there's nothing there, then maybe do some evaluations, you know, in terms of what you want to do. But I don't know if I have an answer. I think the point is, stuff happens, so what? Stuff happens, and then you decide. You know, there's the first two lessons, well, it doesn't matter. Nothing has any meaning at all except for the meaning that we give it. So it happened, and then you decide what that means. So there was a glitch. Oh my God, they're never going to be a customer. They're going to hate this, blah, blah, blah. Or there was a glitch. Yeah, sorry about that. That sucks. Hey, try it again in 10 minutes. You know what I mean? And she just sent her first card and everything worked fine. After trying to send her card 10 times and it not working, and she uploaded her, you know, restarted her phone and did all this stuff or whatever. Is that a big deal? If you say it is, you know? And if it is a big deal to that prospect, then just, you know, say, hey, I'm sorry, and apologize for the, you know, the whatever, and let it be what it be, you know? I don't know. I'm rambling. I probably won't even post this. I'm going to have lunch at the Taco Cabana. Anyway, at the Taco, we had some lunch. Bye, y'all.